Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We've talked a lot about neurons, action potential, synapses, neurotransmitters. But here's the wild part. Neurons make up less than half the cells in the brain. So who's doing the rest of the work? That's where glia cells come in. Your brain's support crew, cleanup team, and emergency responders. Glia cells, or just glia, are non-neuronal cells in the nervous system. They support, nourish, protect, and regulate neurons. The name comes from the Greek word glue, but they are way more than just filler. Here's how glial cells differ from neurons. They don't fire action potentials, they can divide and regenerate. And in some brain regions, they actually outnumber neurons by as much as 10 to 1. They are essential for helping neurons survive and function efficiently. Let's meet the main types. Astrocytes are star-shaped cells in the CNS. They are the most abundant glia and arguably the most versatile. They deliver nutrients to the neurons, maintain the blood-brain barrier, regulate ions and clear excess neurotransmitters, help with synapse formation and repair, and react to injury by forming glia scars. Astrocytes don't just support neurons, they are active players in neural signaling. Next we have microglia. Microglia are your brain's immune cells. They constantly monitor for infection, injury, and debris. When activated, they swallow up damaged cells, release inflammatory signals, reshape synaptic connections during development and learning. But when overactive, like in Alzheimer's or after trauma, they can trigger harmful inflammation. Then we have oligodendrocytes. Oligodendrocytes insulate neurons in the CNS by forming the myelin sheath. One cell can myelate multiple axons, making signals travel faster via saltatory conduction. When these cells are damaged, like in multiple sclerosis, communication slows down or stops altogether. Then we have Schwann cells. Outside the brain and spinal cord, Schwann cells handle myelination. Each Schwann cell wraps a single axon segment. They also help with nerve regeneration, something oligodendrocytes don't do as well. Then we have ependymal cells. Ependymal cells line the brain's ventricles and spinal canal. They produce and circulate CSF, which cushions the brain, clears waste, and delivers nutrients. They have tiny cilia that help move the CSF. Glial cells play major roles in guiding neurons during brain development, supporting neuroplasticity, forming glial scars after injury, even acting as stem cells for neurons in certain brain regions. When glial cells malfunction, serious diseases can follow. Multiple sclerosis, which is myelin damage from oligodendrocyte loss. Then we have Alzheimer's disease. An overactive microglial and astrocytes drive inflammation. And finally, glioblastoma, an aggressive brain tumor arising from glia cells. Understanding glia could unlock treatments for some of the toughest neurological diseases. Let us recap the glia team. Astrocytes support and nourish neurons. Microglia, immune defenders. Oligodendrocytes, myelinate CNS neurons. Schwann cells, myelinate PNS neurons. And finally, ependymal cells, move CSF. Glial cells are more than just backup. They are essential co-stars in the brain story. In the next video, we're jumping into brain anatomy, exploring what each region does, lobe by lobe. If this video helped you understand the brain a little bit better, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next.